The first photos from the Angry Land series have started to come. The shooting of the series, signed by Liman Yapim, is taking place in Cappadocia, which is full of beauty. The leading roles in the Angry Land series are Yagmur Yuksel and Taha Baran Ozbek. The first frames of the Angry Land series have arrived. The series, which was shot in Cappadocia, the favorite of Nevşehir, famous for its stone houses, showcased a clapperboard pose from Yagmur Yuksel and Taha Baran Ozbek. The series, whose script was written by Esen Ali Baylan, is directed by Semel Shan, signed by Liman Yapim. Angry Lands will feature two deep-rooted families and two lovers who struggle to keep their love alive. Here is the pose from the shooting of the Angry Land series. Yagmur Yuksel and Taha Baran Ozbek. Taha Baran Ozbek is preparing to appear before the audience as Yagmur Yuksel Aylul from the series Kizjan Toprakler and as Aras. The series, which sets out with the slogan "Two strangers come to the CI,"